Hello my friends, Roto here, and today I'm with a shopping update. I've done some shopping. As you can see, there's around $500 worth of gadgets here, and I'm gonna talk about what I ordered, what I received, and also talk about the channel for a bit in this video. And if you're for the first time on this channel, by the way, you might want to click on that subscribe button, the red button down below. Just tilt your phone if you cannot see it and click on that button and the bell icon, because I'm Roto and I've been reviewing gadgets for a while now. On this channel, you'll see me exploring the gadget world. Lots of neat gadgets, many drones, many headphones, and smartphones, and lots of other cool stuff. So definitely subscribe so I can see you on my next video. So let's talk about what's gonna come up this week with our reviews. First of all, I'm gonna go and talk about the Bluetooth. I've been using Bluetooth for a while and actually reviewed their headphones on this channel, but today I'm with the new headphones, the F2 model. These Bluetooth headphones have active noise cancellation. This is quite unique in the world of headphones, especially in the cheap headphones, and Bluetooth is really going that extra mile. So I'm definitely gonna check out these headphones and tell you what I think about them, as they are supposed to upgrade my current Bluetooth T-Monitor headphones. Hey guys, another surprise here. I've been cutting into this video because I just got another package after actually recording this video, and I do want to get this thing reviewed. So are you ready for it? That's it. That's the Mi Box S, guys. That's the 4K streamer from Xiaomi. It's gonna be one of the coolest Xiaomi products I've actually ordered, and I think it's gonna be around, I think I ordered like 50 Xiaomi gadgets already, so it's gonna be really interesting to even get that number even higher. So that's another product that we're gonna be reviewing this week. Let's go back to the other gadgets. The next thing that I ordered is this low-cost phone from Huawei. We are talking about the Y5. I'm gonna test it out extensively because what I wanna check out is that if you can actually buy a low-end, like really cheap mobile phone and actually play video games on it. So this is my mission with this phone. This phone costs around $150. Like always, I'm putting links in the description of this video below. And if you want to check out another phone review I've done, just click on that I button up above. I'm just going to link it to a different phone that I've recently reviewed. So this is quite unique, and you won't find many reviews of this on the internet, so I decided that I must order it. We are looking at two smartwatches, like kids smartwatches. These have very different names. It's very hard to find them on the Chinese markets, but I have actually managed to do a research and find out all the different model names for these. And basically, if you're asking yourself what's the difference between this smartwatch or anything else, like the Xiaomi one, for example, this is built for you to put on kids, and then you'll be able to actually see, because each of these smartwatches has a camera. The kid can call you. It has 3G or 2G capabilities. One of them is 3G and the other is 2G. And I'm also going to review them and actually test them out, because on the internet I have really done my research. There are not many reviews of these guys, and lots of people ask questions about them because these give you the option to actually track your kid. You can see where he's at any moment. It's just amazing. And yeah, the big box over here, this is the JGLC Epic, and it's really interesting. I've been following JGLC for a while. I've reviewed many of the gadgets. You can take a look at the I button above just for another one of them. And basically what you will see here is JGLC is going up one extra step and actually producing high quality quadcopters. This quadcopter has GPS, which is also quite unique coming from JGLC, but it also has finally a 1080p camera. It has 5G Wi-Fi. That means that you'll get fluent Wi-Fi image transmission. And I just want to show you that if we look at it, it looks like a professional quadcopter. I'm gonna do a really deep unboxing, obviously, and fly this drone and tell you what I think about it. They changed the remote control. It also has the new branding, which is JJ Pro, and still we are looking at a very cheap price after all. So JGLC are keeping their price range, but producing higher quality quadcopters. I remember the days when I bought the JGLC X1, which was about the same price without the camera. It didn't have 1080p, obviously, because there's no camera, but it didn't have also GPS. It was fun to fly, but in the end, it was a brushless model without all the capabilities that we are seeing now in a quadcopter like this. So I hope you're gonna enjoy all these videos, and I really want you to subscribe, so I'm gonna see you on my next video. It's gonna be one of these gadgets. You are more than invited to actually tell me in the comments below which one you want to see first on the channel. And I hope we're gonna have a great week, me and you. So thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna put 2 videos over here for you to watch, another one over here, and the subscribe button over here near the box. So definitely click on that button to stay with me on my next journey here on the Gadget world. I was Rotodeep. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.